What's up, guys? In this video, we're gonna be talking about why I think 10K in your credit repair business is a joke. And I'm not just saying that. For one, I've done this over and over and over again for the last 4 to 5 years. 10K would be a goal that we want to add every month, something like that. But if I was starting over, I'm gonna just give you like the 4 things to really focus on if you haven't hit 10K a month in your credit repair business. And I got my notes right here. The first thing is specializing in identifying who and what your offer is going to be. Because when you go into the credit repair space, you see everybody want to serve everybody. Hey, I can fix your credit. If you got a credit score under this, I can get you right. All that type of stuff. But if you specialize and work with a particular group of people, or a certain type of business where you can help them further along other than just credit repair, then that's where you start to separate yourself. And then once you separate yourself, you can make a lot of money faster. What I mean by that is, the main thing after you get your offer is you're gonna need attention on that offer. And so the first thing I do is get my offer right. I'm gonna help business owners. That's been a big one. I know you guys been sitting there a lot lately too, with people trying to help people get business funding. People trying to help people, further along their business, but they doing it through credit, by fixing their personal credit, by getting the business credit right. And so having that as an offer is super good. But you can also help out barbers. You can help out certain type of businesses. You can help out certain type of different industries where credit repair can exist in there, to where it can help them get to the next level. Because you don't want to just say, hey, yeah, we can help you get your credit fixed. Everybody's doing that, and then it make it to where everybody want to pay a low price. Everybody want to go in and pay $99 a month, $129 a month, different things like that. So you want to separate yourself out of that market. And so the first thing would be getting your offer right. If you can get your offer right and identify who you're going to help, that'll separate you from all the other credit repair people. All right, that's the first thing. And then the second thing is, how do I bring attention to that offer? And so the main way that I love bringing attention to any offer is by using paid ads. So that's why I'm saying 10K is a joke, because if you can use paid ads, it becomes a numbers game. Because paid ads is pretty much going to get you can just say 300 to 1,000 people seeing your offer every single day. If 300 to 1,000 people seeing your offer every single day, somebody's going to buy. Somebody's going to raise their hand and say, hey, I'd like to get more information on that. So the ads, when the ads come in, that's where you can be more predictable about who's is going to see your offer. You targeting the right people to see your offer, but then you also got a certain amount of people that that's going to see it. If you're doing organic, you just posting on social media, and then Instagram or Facebook or TikTok, they only showing that to a certain percentage of people. You have no idea really of how many people really seeing that post that you posting. And so with ads, it's so much better. So like, if you can do both at the same time, that's the best thing. And we'll get to that on the next little area. But the ads is just going to bring in the ideal client that you need. So if you're trying to get those business owners, you can run ads and target those business owners and get in front of the people that you need to get in front of. And so that right there is like the best part about this whole process. That's how I know that you can just go out here and do $10,000 a month. Because like I said, it's a numbers game. Once you get the offer right, and then once you get the ads right, because you're going to be putting the offer in front of the people that need to see the offer. It's just not like you just posting it and then your brother or your sister, friends, they seeing it, but they don't even need credit repair, or they don't even care about it, And so the ads help you separate yourself from those people. Then they put you in front of the right people to where you know exactly how many people are seeing your offer. And so that's the second thing. Now let's go to the third thing. Now the third thing is content, because once they see this offer, and once they see, you know, the ads bringing them towards your page or your landing page, pretty much wherever you at, the ads is going to bring them to you. So once they see you, you don't need to have nothing on there that's different or irrelevant from what you offering the people. This is where you're going to educate the people. This is where you're going to show people that you will help people out before, or you'll help yourself out before. You know, this is where you're going to display like the case studies. This is where you're going to show like the behind the scenes. This is where you're going to just be raw and real on the video. You know, you're just going to show that you can help them get to the next level in your content. Because you don't want them just hitting you up and saying, hey, what can you do now? Who is this? How can you help me? You want to already be displaying that through your content. And so the third step is content. You want to make sure you got that content. And so say if you were trying to do this in the next 30 days, the first thing you'll do, get your offer right now. You'll be able to go set up an ad right now. And then you'll start posting content every single day to where you displaying how you can actually help someone. So when the people come from the ad and they see the content, they like, oh, okay, this is exactly what I need. And from that point, the fourth part is the sales process. Now you need to know exactly how many sales it takes to get that $10,000 a month. If you was selling at $750, you'll need 13 people in that month to get that $10,000 in the month. So if you're doing it at $1,000, then you'll need 10 people. But then if you're going to 149, 129, something like that, you'll need like 60 something people. Now the only way I recommend doing it as a low price is if you're working with a lot of people and you got a team, you know, different things like that. But if you're doing it by yourself and you're just trying to hit your first 10K month, what I do is work at a higher price where you don't really have to break down those monthly payments like that. So like if we were selling, if our main goal was to try to sell it at the 750, and then just say we tell the people like, hey, this program over the next 6 months will be $900, but you can prepay at $750 right now and go and get started. And so that's the way you can come in and get a lot of upfront payments, because you're saving them money, but you know your main goal is to hit that $750 per client that you bring in. And so that's what I do right there, just to go and hit that first 10K month in my credit repair business.